So has anybody else experienced this? I feel like the more that I delegate my words to AI, the more that I notice my inner voice getting quieter, right? So I did some research as to why myself and several other people are struggling to write consistently or write without assistance, and it's called cognitive offloading. I just wanted to share that with everybody here and want to talk about it. So when we outsource a mental task repeatedly, our brain deprioritizes the mental pathways responsible for it. So writing isn't just for communication, it's the rehearsal of thought. So therefore, if you stop rehearsing, if you stop showing up practice, just like an instrument, you stop being good at it. So AI is a powerful tool. In fact, I used it this morning, just asking a question about a certain coffee that I should order from the store. But it's a tool, but sometimes tools replace effort, and effort is how the brain grows. Which is why I'm actually really passionate about the subject of computational biology, right? So this all plays out at the molecular level as well. So molecular just means like the DNA, the proteins. So that's the actual chemistry of life. So if you want to think of it like an automobile, it's the viscosity of the fluid that keeps everything from seizing up. It's the engine timing, the combustion cycle. It's the stuff that you don't know what's happening, but it's happening in the background. And in the biological system, that's the bigger picture, right? So that's how the tissues, the cells, they organize into actual organisms to work together, like how the drivetrain and the cooling system all work and collaborate to help the vehicle get down the road. So when the biological system decides it no longer needs a function, or like the molecular machinery responsible for something, it will no longer utilize it. Similar to how the human body, at one point, we used to produce vitamin C on our own. Human beings actually lost that skill over generations because we now get vitamin C from our DNA. So our body decided it was no longer responsible for developing vitamin C on its own. Biology doesn't invest in what it doesn't need, and neither does your brain.